Hello everyone, my name is Raymond. I'm representing Mining Scout, and today we have Corey around. He's representing Platina Resources, a gold company based in Western Australia. Corey, can you tell me a little bit about yourself and your background and why you work for this exciting company?
Thank you very much for this opportunity to come and talk about Platina at Mining Scout. I've been involved in the resources industry for nearly 30 years. I've been involved in the identifying projects, getting them funded, getting them into listed companies, and working them through drilling and feasibility and adding value to them. I've been the Managing Director of Platina for 4 years, and we've been restructuring Platina from out of the platinum business into the gold business in Western Australia. But before I joined Platina, I was the CEO of Sienna Mining. I originally identified the Ortia lithium project in Quebec, and over a period of about 3 years we raised $60 million for that project. We did about 15,000 metres of drilling and took that through pre-feasibility study into the definitive feasibility stage, and added a huge amount of value to that company. It became a $180 million company at the time I left, and then since then it's gone on to be a $2 billion company. So I'm really looking to replicate the same.
To do the same for Platina?
Yeah, just replicate the same model at Platina. Find what we believe is a great project, come through, drill it out, take it through feasibility study towards production. And I'm going to be supported by my exploration manager, Rowan Deshpan. Rowan's got about 15 years of experience, almost exclusively in Western Australia. He was part of the discovery team on the Hemi gold deposit in Western Australia with De Grey Mining, and they recently reported a 10 million ounce resource. So between the two of us, him with his technical, me with my funding skills, we're looking to try and replicate that model between like Sienna or De Grey.
Currently you have several projects going on. Can you elaborate a bit on those?
Yeah, so we've been going through a strategic restructure of the company. It had previously been a platinum-focused company, and we've gone through a process of divesting some of those assets and converting them into cash and shares as investments, and growing a portfolio of projects in Western Australia. We recently just completed the acquisition of a portfolio of projects, and we're now really well positioned to start exploring and drilling those projects next year.
What do you see as the major challenges of your company?
So our biggest challenge is that we're a greenfield exploration company. We're inherently risky. We are trying to de-risk that strategy by finding the best possible projects where we believe we have the right combination of rocks and structure to allow us to hopefully have a mineral deposit. So
News flow is of course quite crucial for companies like yours. What can we expect in the coming months from your side?
Yeah, look, I think we're really well positioned for the start of 2023. We've got 3 prime projects that we're going to be working on. We've got Xanadu, where we've actually just completed a 2,200 metre drill program, and we're waiting for the assay results there. If we get good results from that project, we'll be looking to drill that in the second quarter next year. And then we've got 2 of our new projects that we've just acquired. We've got the Brimstone project, where there's a lot of historical drilling. We know where we believe we can significantly expand the size of the mineralised structures there and hopefully build a resource, so that we'll be looking to drill that in February next year. And then we have another project called called the Beatty project, where we believe that we have really good potential. It's a southern extension of the 5.5 million ounce Norseman gold belt. We believe that we have a great structure that runs through that property that will host gold mineralisation. There's evidence of historical working, so we'll be looking to get on the ground there and do as much work as quickly as possible so that we can be drilling that project by the middle of next year as well.
Last question, which might be quite tough to answer. But you're an expert in gold. Where do you see the gold price in the next coming months or years?
Yeah, look, gold's been a tricky one. You would have thought with all the political, geopolitical uncertainty worldwide, high debt, large deficits, rising inflation, that maybe gold would have been a better performer. Look, I just hope that once these interest rate increases that we're seeing, being implemented globally, start to taper off global inflation, maybe then we'll start to see a gold price come back into favour again.
Okay, thank you very much. I wish you all the best, personally and for the company, of course, and hope to see you next time here on the stage. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Bye.